Chibok Girls. On a lonely, wet night, I ran into the living shadow of an aged mom, her heart perforated by claws of impotent promises, her legs pregnant with a huge rock of perennial search, her voice laden with sorry and sorrow, her chant dripped with the refrain of hopeless hope. In the depth of the pensive forest, taunted by termites, fondled by fleas, bearing the free poison of marauding mambas, she chanted painfully in her lonely search, pleading, begging for their child, who, in a bid to escape from shackles of illiteracy, fell into brazen jaws of terror's guns. The innocent who, in search of lettered pastures, landed in the bottomless depth of bandits' den. Was not a protest, but the dark agony of a confounded mom. Hers was not a threat, but the sad, sad tears of a terrified mom. She who must live with the memory of a fruit in the wild, who must mourn a child that is still alive, saying my child is dead is better than my child is lost. There in the beastly jungle, thunder displaces pet names. Whips have usurped the role of lullaby sweet. In the terrorists' haven where raw cassava is cream and cake, when you hear a cracking gale, with thorns our angels are being deflowered in turn. When you hear a wedding drum, the chief bandit is sharing out unransomed gems. On the lonely, wet night, the agony mother wailed and wandered still, for her angel is lost in the faceless war, lost in a jungle where you cannot tell the gun of a friend from the gun of a foe, where the guard may be a guard at noon but goon at night, where terrorism becomes an industry, sometimes a safe Panama for budget rogues. In a country of porous borders, AK-48 weapons are flowers in illicit hands. Every tank straying from Libya and Syria has a safe passage into my ungoverned world. Yet at every national feast, the commander-in-king reserves the choicest award for his border chief. Oh, you wild lion of the bloody jungle, you wild wild crocodile of the anonymous sea, the vulture of the universe that preys in the sky. Listen to the terrified voice of the agony mom. Consider the protracted burden of pregnant months, the 50-50 sacrifice of the labor room, days of self-hunger for the child to eat and live. Heed these passionate pleas. Disentangle our girls from your endless plea.